Welcome to day 14 of 4-H Embryology. Today is an exciting day. We're going to be candling after this, but let's first take a look inside of the incubator and talk about our vocabulary words. Right now the current temperature is 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit and the humidity is at 56%. Both are within the normal ranges. So now let's talk about our vocab words. So the first one is broiler. These are going to be chicken breeds that are specifically selected for meat production, and they make the different types of chicken that are going to be in the grocery store. So these birds are specifically chosen for heavy muscling, so that way there's more product produced. Then we talk about the laying breeds. The layers are the ones that are specifically chosen for egg production. The one that comes to mind for this out of the breeds is the white leghorn. They're specifically chosen for laying eggs because they have a high quality white shelled egg and they have a nice hard shell. So they package better and they ship into the grocery stores and they can quality grade better than a lot of other chicken breeds. Then when we talk about the bantams are a small variety of fowl, and that's primarily chickens, and they're between 1/5 and 1/4 of the size of a normal breed. So there's all different kinds of chickens out there. You did some breed research, and what's neat about the bantam is they could be representative of most any breed of chicken. They're just selected for their small size and that variety. So now let's talk about the answer from day 12. So the question was, between a fertile egg and a non-fertile store-bought egg, which one weighs more? And at day 1 or within the first few days, there's very little to no difference. And that's because the embryo hasn't really started to develop yet. But in the range of days where we're at now, between 11 and 14, there's minimal differences. There's between a 0.1 and a 0.5 difference when we talk about ounces with the eggs. And we're going to do this again closer to day 20, and we'll actually get a chance to see how much heavier those developing embryos inside of the eggs get, because obviously the shell doesn't grow any. The shell stays the same size, width, shape, all of those things, but the inside of the egg, the embryo continues to develop. So our question was, does it get heavier? And you'll have to stay tuned for that. Our fun fact for today is going to be dark pigmented eggs are more difficult to candle than white eggs. So because of that dark pigmentation that colors the egg on the outside, we have a harder time using the light candler to get in to see that egg because it's like having a shaded curtain versus a white curtain. So we're going to take a look inside the eggs later today, so stay tuned. See you later.